Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, this is David with Financial Phoenix, coming back to you today with another sourcing video. The one thing I wanted to stress today is how you can source on a real budget, a real tight budget. So what we're going to do today is we're going to shop with just our change that we save. Whenever we spend break a dollar, we bring the change home and throw it in a little plastic jar. And what we're going to do today is we're going to go into our local Kroger. They have a Coinstar, which I know isn't the best deal. You're paying a percentage for them to count it for you, but saves me a little bit of trouble. So we're going to go count up all this change. We're going to see what we got, and then we're going to go source with just that money and see what kind of profits we can come up with. Okay guys, so as you just saw, we ran into the Coinstar. We do pay a little bit for that service, so lost maybe a couple bucks there in terms of potential. But this was all just change that we save when we make random trips and break a dollar, cleaning out the car, cleaning out the sofa, all that kind of stuff. So we got just about 60 bucks. That should be plenty to go ahead and get us a decent little sourcing trip. So let's get over. Okay, so we made a quick little detour on the way to the Goodwill. I saw a sign out for a book sale, and so I went ahead and took the detour to see what was going on. Obviously, I can't pass up if there's a book sale happening. Unfortunately, it was just a sign from the local book warehouse's sale they had earlier in the week. They just hadn't taken it down. But they do keep a rack of books out front that are free for the taking, and I didn't get any big winners, but I'm gonna get like 40 or 50 bucks profit on some books that I got absolutely free. So those books were absolutely free, no cost whatsoever, and looks like we're going to make right around, like I said, 40 or 50 dollars profit off those. Okay guys, this is the haul that I got from the two Goodwills that I went to. Full disclosure, I didn't even spend my entire $58. I actually spent just over half of that. Spent right around 40 bucks and got this haul. Taking a look at some of the items that stand out, the Eco Extreme, it's actually really cool. It's a cell phone case and speaker. So when you're out hiking and stuff, you put your phone in there, you hook it up to the cord, and so it gives you an external speaker. Carry it around. If you happen to drop it, it protects your phone. You put your wallet and stuff in there too, so it's actually pretty neat. Looks like it's a relatively upstart company on Amazon. They're charging quite a bit of money for these, so I think that's a really good find. I paid $2 for that. Printer ink is one of my big go-to items when I go to Goodwills and things like that. Printer ink in the box is always an easy sell. That HP ink is probably going to go for between 25 and 30 bucks based on completed sales on eBay. The Rolly, I'd never seen this before. It's a egg cooking device. They sell for about 40 bucks or so on Amazon. And I actually picked this up half price. It was only $4.99 to begin with, so I only paid $2.50 for it. These little cups, these Avex, they're kind of neat little water bottles, like wide mouth bottles. They were marked down. I think they originally started them at $4.99 or something like that at Goodwill, and they had put a couple stickers over it, discounting them. They were all the way down to 99 cents, and they're each going to be like $7 profit on Amazon. Got some good books. Got a couple of books that are going to be, $40+ profit. A lot of good books that are kind of mid-range, $10 to $15 to $20 profit. And got some sealed games, sealed in plastic. Got a kids card game set and then a checkers, chess, and tic-tac-toe set. So those are both pretty cool, being sealed in plastic. Went over the numbers, and based on what I have here, looks like we're going to be looking at spend about $40. Our sales are going to be $7.57 and 17 cents, and after all of our fees and expenses are covered, we're going to have a profit of $504.23. So spent like 4 hours outsourcing this stuff, and then it'll be like 1 hour boxing everything up and doing the couple of eBay listings. Most of it's going to go Amazon. So 5 hours worth of work for $504 worth of profit after covering all costs. Just shows you what you can do. Just break open the piggy bank a little bit, take some of your spare change, and you could be making $100 an hour. If you're willing to hustle. I did a lot of sweating. I had to go through a lot of square footage to get all this stuff. But yeah, it's definitely a great opportunity. Well, as you can see, I got a lot of work to do. So I'm going to go ahead and work on getting this all labeled. I'm going to go ahead and get everything boxed up and get it on its way out so we can start making some money off this trip. Glad you guys could come with me and kind of see what you can do on an extremely limited budget. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out a lot. And it definitely gives us encouragement to keep bringing new content each week. Until next time, just remember that like Phoenix, we're going to continue to rise. Take care, guys.
Shut up and sit down.